thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze that Plays Guitar Lessons. This is Hallucinations by Angels and Airwaves. So it's a pretty easy song to play, and it's a really great song. So thanks for the request. If you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments. It might take me a little bit of time to get to them, so just know that I am doing my best to do it, but sometimes it's just, you get a lot of songs that have been requested. So anyway, please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come up with songs that you request and with other songs and stuff, and learn to play more punk and country and rock songs on the guitar. Alright, and let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. So I'm going to teach you guys how to play this song right now. Alright, so it's in standard tuning. There's no capo on it, so that's great. Here's how you're going to start the song, okay? So you're going to start with A minor. Alright, if you don't know A minor, you put your your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string, okay? So you're going to do A minor, alright, and then you're going to do G. Alright, I'm just doing the G with the pinky, the ring, and the middle finger, okay, G. And then you're going to do F. F is essentially you're just going to do a power chord, but you should bar it if you can, but if you can't, it's no big deal. So you're going to bar from the E string, the big E string, all the way down the 1st fret, okay? And then you're going to put ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, your pinky on the 3rd fret on the D string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and you're going to bar across. If you can't bar, that's okay, just play the top 3 or 4 notes. Alright, but anyway, so that's how you play F. Alright, so you're going to be doing F there. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with, okay, so you're going to do A, G, F, A minor, G, F, okay? Alright, so all you're doing is just down, down, so you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 okay? So you're going to start, you're going to do A minor, G, F, and you're going to do that 4 times. If you want, I mean, they have a lot of like intro stuff in this song, so that's how you would play it, is with, you do A minor, G, F 4 times, and you would do it softly, so you'd start out like that, okay? Then what you're going to do is, after you do that 4 times, you're going to do C. And what you can do on that C is, you see how you can raise the pointer finger, alright, off of the 1st fret and just do, alright, kind of like that. Alright, so you can do that, like, that kind of gives it like some more stuff to it, but you can do C, alright, F, so you do C, F twice, C, F, okay. Then you would do A minor, G, F twice again, and then just stick on C. You'll do C twice. And then the part where they do it distorted, they're doing C, E minor, F. So C, E minor, F, okay? Do that twice. C, E minor, F. Okay, then you do A minor. So then you do A minor, G, F once. A minor, G, F, C, E minor, F. Okay. Now, then when you go into the first verse, all right, then you're gonna start with F. And you should palm mute it with this part of your hand as close as you can down to that bridge and pluck the bass notes. If you can't though, that's okay. So if you can't, you can just do it open. If your hand gets tired or something, I mean, you should get to the point where you can do that pretty well. But that's how you should do it. Is you're gonna do F. All right, and you look real close. So you're just going to do it like that. So here's the thing to keep in mind. Tom DeLonge and the Angels and Airwaves guys and the Blink-182 guys, whenever they were doing stuff together, they're not very good guitarists, so their stuff isn't super hard. So for this, you're just going to do F, and you're going to do, and you look, so you're just going to do down. And you look real close across the lines. Okay, so lines is C, lines, and the roads. Okay, roads is G, roads. It is there is F, there to decode what you thought. Thought is C, thought was a ghost. Okay, so then you go to ghost is G, ghost, or a spark. Okay, spark to explode, it's the start. Okay, so start is C, so spark is F, start is C, start of the show. Okay, show is G. Now if you're not palm muting it, you would just play it softer. You can do, so you do C, F, G. It's the part, sorry, C, G, F. It's the part is F, part, right? Part, the part you love the most. Where your heart, okay, heart is C, heart will explode, or sorry, implode, okay, then you go into the chorus. The only chord I didn't show you at the beginning that you're going to use in the chorus is you're going to do D minor, okay, so D minor, so you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the little E string, okay? Alright, that's D minor. So you're going to start with C, you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, okay? So you do within, and then you do you believe? So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, okay? You're just doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Like that. So you're going to do C on, do you believe in okay, hallucinations is where you do D minor. Hallucinations. And then you do C, okay? Right before you say silly. Silly dreams or imagine. Okay, imaginations is F. Imaginations. Then you do C after imaginations. Don't go away cause I feel. Feel is D minor. Feel you this time. Then you do C after time. Don't go away cause I need. Okay, need is F. Need you there this time. And then after the chorus, you're just going to do C, E minor, F. I don't know if I showed you E minor. Ring finger, middle finger, 2nd fret on the A string, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and that's it. Okay, so you're going to do the post-chorus is C, E minor, F. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. C, E minor, F, and you do that twice as the post-chorus, and you go into the 2nd verse. The 2nd verse is the same as the first one, so you're just gonna be doing that palm muting on F, C, G. Okay, now then the second chorus is the same and everything. So then the bridge is where it's different. So that's where you do the silence. Okay, silence is C. The silence is taxing. I'm waiting for something. There's images. Images is F. Images of love and war. And everything's here to explore. It's all. Okay, so all is A minor, so that's easy to remember. All alike, unusual, a different place. But beautiful and it. Okay, it is G. It is. Not quite as it seems. I hear the children's laughs and screams. So you could just do single strums for these, okay? So you would just do C, F, A minor, G, okay? So you could do that, or you can palm mute it, but very slowly. The silence is taxing. I'm waiting for something. There's images. Okay, so you would do that. You do it softly and slower than you've been doing for the rest of the song. Okay, so you can play it that way, or you can do the single strums. Okay, so you can just do those single strumming like that, and that'll make it really easy. Okay, so obviously I'm playing them faster than you would in that part, but so that's how you do that part. Then you go to the 3rd verse, and it's just going to be C. It's beautiful, it's beautiful, so beautiful. So you do C, F. It's beautiful. So C, F, C, G is what you do there, okay? And then you go to the final chorus. You believe in hallucinations, silly dreams or imaginations. Okay? So you're just going to do it just like that. So it's super easy to play. And the hardest part, for me, was just kind of switching from C to D minor, because that's not a super common part of the chord progression, but in songs. So anyway, yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions or anything. I hope I got everything that you wanted in this song, you that requested it. So yeah, if you guys have other songs, let me know. I know there's been a lot of other requests, and I'm trying to get to them as best as I can. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.